Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Popeye. Come here, buddy. Look at that. This is funny. This is funny. There's Popeye. We're the RC Sailors, and
this is the second time we've shot this video.
Take two. Our mic wasn't on, so
whoops.
Whoops-a-daisy.
I'll blame it on the pregnancy brain.
So Abby and I have been. This is going to be a fan mail video, just so you know.
Yeah,
set the expectations kind of early. We've kind of gathered up a few things, and we thought today'd be a great day to do a fan mail video for a couple reasons. One, because we now have enough stuff to do a video. Two, the weather is just awful. It's been really windy and cold, and it actually snowed today. Mid-April, it's snowing. And we've been having a rough weekend. We've had a very rough weekend. We were involved in a hit and run, fender bender. We're fine. But the guy that hit us, we were stopped at a red light and he smashed into the back of our car. His car looked like it just got out of a demolition derby, and he told us that he was uninsured and that if we call the police, he will leave. So you tell me what kind of good he's up to. So we called the police and he left. People are awesome. But you guys are awesome. And so we have some fan mail stuff here.
And we've already opened it all because this is take two.
Yes, so we apologize. This is not this is the way it should be, but the mic wasn't on.
This is from Toma.
Toma.
T-H-O-M-A.
Yeah.
From Kissimmee, Florida. He says, "Dear RC Sailors, I'm a subscriber to your channel and I enjoy it very much. I recently purchased the Bugs 3, but he got a defective charger and he's waiting for a new one. He wants to know how he should go about getting a YouTube channel started."
So YouTube is actually pretty easy to get into. If you've got an account and you're able to leave comments on our videos, which is very easy to sign up for, then you're also able to upload videos. And I would recommend your first video be documenting the process. Maybe talk about how you got a hold of the people to get a new charger and if it was successful or not. I think a lot of people would benefit from that because, you know, we even get things that maybe the spare props are not in there. Or you remember our Santa Claus drone? Mm-hmm. The little Santa wasn't in there. So what would be the best way I should go about contacting the company to try to get my Santa? And, you know, did it take a month? Was it successful or not? That'd be a great first video, and depending on what kind of feedback you get, if it was a lot of views or not very many views, people liked it or they didn't like it, maybe make more videos like that, or different kind of video. That's what I would do.
Let's show them this.
Okay, this is really cool. So it came in little Amazon bubble wrap thing, and or well, not Amazon, but just it has the Amazon thing on it. Maybe he reused it. Yeah, but this is like homemade.
Do you have a letter?
You do. It's to your left there.
Oh, this.
Yeah, right there. Mark, I think was his name.
Yeah, Mark. He sent this.
Let me read this first. So on this, it looked, when I pulled it out, I was like, I think someone just sent us like a washboard. I can do my laundry on that. That's old school. But it says, "When you pass through deep waters, I will be with you. When you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep over you." Isaiah 43:2. And it's got a little RC Sailor thing on there. It's like completely customized.
And this came a few months ago, I think. And it
came
before we knew we were pregnant, and it just came at the right time. So thank you, Mark, for sending this. And the cool thing about Mark is he is the owner of East Alabama Tackle. So if you want to go say hey to him and let him know that he's awesome, go over to his website at eatackle.com.
Very cool.
That's really cool.
And this will be hung up in our house somewhere. This is not just, you know, something that we don't appreciate. This is really nice.
Awesome.
Like, who has custom stuff like this? This is really cool. So thank you very much. And it's just a nice constant reminder that, you know, even though when we have like a rough weekend like we just did and just dealt with really bad people, that we've got amazing people from around the world that are our friends, and you guys have our backs. So thank you so much. That's awesome. I mean, just awesome.
And this letter is pretty cool because it comes from somebody that only lives like 20 to 30 minutes down the road from us.
That is neat.
His name is Gary, and he is new to drones. He just bought a Bugs 2 and a baby Spark.
Okay, so those drones are great beginner drones because you've got a little indoor altitude hold drone that when it's raining and bad weather like it is right now, you can fly and practice inside. And then, you know, when it's nice out, you can take it out in your backyard or front yard and have fun with it. But then when the weather's really nice and you kind of understand the basics of how drones work, you can calibrate your GPS and then fly a little higher, a little farther, a lot nicer of a camera. Really have a good time with that Bugs 2.
And he had a question about our airfield that we fly at. And
Right.
It's not our land. We don't own that at all.
We're just members.
Yeah, we're
there.
members. It's
Active members.
AMA sanctioned field, so you do have to have AMA to fly there. But if you want more information about joining that club, your best bet is to get the phone number from the Facebook page,
Yeah.
or if you don't have Facebook, you can still search for the
Google.
page. Just Google it.
They have a website.
Tri-State Model Flyers. Yeah, they do have a website.
Yeah.
Tri-State Model Flyers, and you'll get a phone number that you can call and join. And we have to fly with you soon.
Anytime, and people have done this before. As a matter of fact, we've got a friend in Florida, Wendell, and others from around the country that have flown in and driven into our airfield just to hang out with us for a couple hours and say hey, and Pete and all kinds of people. So if you're interested and you just want to come fly at our field as a guest, just try to get a hold of us and we'll be happy to meet you there. And you don't even have to be a member. I think you can go there like a couple days free and just see the field and fly with us. So
Yeah.
You're welcome to come down. It's a very friendly place. Okay, now this is fun. This is cool.
This is from Chad. He sent it to us straight from Amazon, so
Had
it
a
had a
little
little gift receipt in it.
Amazon
and
note. This
since
is
we
awesome.
Already opened all this.
I'm sorry, I think that our first take was probably like, this is amazing,
Yeah.
and now we're just kind of talking about it. But this is called Don't Step in It. What do you think it is?
It as in poo.
But it's Play-Doh poop.
Yeah, it comes with like a mold that you make the poop in, and then
it's
you
brown
have to,
Play-Doh.
It has like a mat that you put on the floor, and you have to wear a blindfold, I think.
Yep.
And then you spin, I think, with like the number of steps you have to take.
Something like that.
Something, and there's the little poop all over the map, and you don't want to step in the poop.
I think this was probably inspired by our vlog videos that we did.
Yeah, he saw the pile driver.
Yep.
So
Yep.
I really want to play this when I see Riley next time.
This will probably go on our vlog channel. So, you might not see the game for like months from now because we have a plan.
Right.
We have a trip planned to go visit with them. But we do games and just kind of like different stuff, vacations that we document.
And I know on our live feed I said I had some pregnancy stuff I was going to put on there. I'm sorry
will.
it's not edited yet. As we mentioned, we had a rough weekend. Last week was just rough.
Yep.
Taxes suck. We all know that. We had to deal with that.
Tax season last week.
Tax season.
Yeah. And just the accidents and stuff.
But
so.
all this is just a great pick-me-up
Yeah.
from you guys.
This was
awesome.
important for us.
So we have one more package, and unfortunately...
We already opened it.
we already opened it, and we don't know who sent it. It came straight from Amazon. So if you guys ever send anything to us from Amazon, be sure to put a gift receipt. Like when you purchase, you can hit, yes, it's a gift, and you can write something.
Yeah,
So
like
we know who it's from.
Chad did with this one.
Yeah.
And the cool thing about it coming from Amazon is, like, especially what we're about to show you.
And we already opened this, so it looks a mess because
It came packaged really nice and stuff, and it was like very well done. But these, look at this. You know what that is?
it's a bandana, but it's a bib bandana.
And Popeye earlier.
We put it on him.
Loved this.
Look, he's here.
Yeah, he came back out.
Here,
Okay.
buddy, you want it on
hold,
again?
Hold him right there. Hold him right there.
He's like, oh, not this again.
We're only doing this with one of them, but this is the one for Popeye.
He wants
He's
to
looking
be
like
included too.
Yeah, look at this. Look how cute he is with this. Look at that. Awesome, buddy. Look at this. You look good, Popeye.
So we got the stripes. Look, you like the whales? The whales are pretty cool.
But these are for the baby, not for Popeye.
Sailboats, and it's cool because they're adjustable. There's 3 snaps that you
Where's
can
the good
adjust
one?
it.
Where's the good one?
Well, they're all good.
No, there's one that's really cool. It's this one. Popeye, get off of those. Look at this. You can't hardly see that. There's biplanes on that one.
This
That
one
is
has
cool.
one
Buddy, get off of
biplane.
that. Come here. That's not for you.
This one has one biplane. This one is just plain.
This one's cool right here. Look.
That was
Anchors.
the bandana.
Anchors.
And then we have burp cloths. So Nathan, you can put this on you,
Fancy.
and you can slap the baby some, and they'll burp and spit up.
Lightly
And you'll
pat. Slap.
and you'll be protected, except if it is runny and it goes all the way down.
Oh, I can't wait to have.
I can't wait
Ooh.
till Nathan has barf stains all over him. And we're doing videos like a couple weeks after the baby's born, and I'm like, hair sticking out everywhere.
Yeah, my TheRcSaylors shirt will have like baby spit up down
Poo.
it. Yeah, and I'll have like poo on my lap and stuff. Ooh,
And
We're
so
excited.
we got matching burp cloths for all those bibs.
Well,
So
I
it's
mean,
so
we
awesome.
didn't. I mean, they were given to us. That was a gift.
Yeah, I know.
Amazing.
We got them because they sent it to us.
Yeah, I
So
thought you said
whoever you
store.
are that sent this, this is actually the first. No, this is actually the first thing for the baby we've gotten, except for hand-me-down stuff, which we actually got a lot of hand-me-down stuff
cool.
this last weekend. But
This
this is
just cool.
awesome.
I mean,
so thoughtful.
it's
and,
very personal.
And I was
really
like, I
cool.
think Nathan, I think he's hoping that we have a boy, but Nathan was like, nah, we'll just, if it's a girl, we'll just put a pink bow in her hair and she'll look awesome. And I agree.
Yeah, yeah. Like these are cool. I mean, this is and this too. Like, if it's a girl, that looks great.
Yeah.
You know, and we don't know yet. Everyone's asking
We don't
probably.
know.
We don't know. It's still early, but when you see this, it'll be super close to exactly 10 weeks. So we're in the double-digit mark, which is amazing. Now, just because we got some baby stuff here and don't step in it and all that stuff, doesn't mean that there aren't going to be drones on the channel. I've got a ton of plans. We have RCS Fest coming up. We have so many cool things coming to the channel. We're just waiting on cooperative weather, so don't lose hope on that stuff. We're just having fun, keeping you guys updated, letting you know that we're not dead. We just had a rough weekend, a really bad weekend. So thank you for the pick-me-up and for all your awesome, kind words. 'Cause I know we're gonna have good comments. Everyone's so nice, and you guys are the best. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.